Okay, once again, this is Mansoor. I'm the president and CEO of MB Group of the company. Today we have one of the internee. How many days you work?
I think 25.
25 days. So can you please tell me how is your journey with MBE?
Oh, it was great. I learned a lot about business, working hard. It was overall a pretty good
So
experience.
what's the difference you feel when you came first day and when you here now in 25 days?
It
You
was
feel a little bit confidence?
yeah, a lot more confident.
Okay.
I liked everyone here. Everyone was really nice. Very
Who give you hard time? Can you give me a name?
Oh, no one. Everyone was nice.
No one gives a hard time? Okay.
No,
Michelle
no.
give a hard time?
No.
No, are you sure?
Yeah.
Murli?
No.
Okay, that's good. So what are you future planning, Ishan?
Currently, I'm thinking about pursuing either engineering or a business plan university degree first, and then working for a company. I don't know that much right now.
Okay.
But that's what my plan is.
So you want to work or you want to do the business?
I don't know right now.
Huh?
I don't know right now.
You have to know now, right? So I will advise you for my audience for Live with Mansoor. I always tell people, whenever you get there, you can try to make your own setup. So you always get success, but you have to need energy and courage, right? So I always put the people in this line, right? So I will advise to Ishan. How old are you, Ishan?
16.
16. He is still baby, right? So it's still way to go, right? And so when I was 16 years old, I was do nothing. Look at the intelligent people in this generation. 16-year-old, they are doing the training, right? I never think about the training in 16 years, right? So I hope at the age of 16, he's better than me. So I would like to make sure when he reach more age, he's always better than me. Once again, thank you. This is Ishan.